everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I have got 3 boxes that I found at a wholesaler. We went down to the ASD Market Week, if you guys remember, down in Dallas. And at the exact same time, they were running a show called Dallas Market Week. And our ASD passes also got us in there. And so we went and checked it out. And this is one of the wholesalers that I did not find at ASD, but I found at Dallas Market Week. And it's some really fun stuff, and I'm excited to show you. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so this is going to be stuff that's all available on hookedonpickin.com. So you do not have to email me. It will be right there for you to find. Make sure you stay tuned to the end. We'll be putting prices on everything, but look at that. Puzzles galore. I love puzzles. They're so much fun. All right, so let's see which different kinds we chose. Now, they had a catalog of tons of different kinds of puzzles, but we just kind of picked a few, and we'll see what you guys like as favorites. And if you guys have specific kinds of scenery or animals that you want, please email us, and we can see if we can find that from this specific wholesale distributor. All right, so we have this quilt one. It's a 1,000-piece puzzle there. So we've got, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that. So we've got a couple of those. Looks like we have more than one of those. Let me see. Looks like we've got, yeah, so we've got 4 of the quilt ones.
You guys let us know which kind of puzzle that you'd like.
Yes.
There's just so many different choices.
Now, we did have a request for wolf knives on our store, which is why we bought this one. So we've got some wolf puzzles. Looks like we've got 4 of those as well. And these ones are 1,000 pieces. I think we did get a variation of different amount of pieces for the puzzles. So isn't that beautiful? I just love that. All right, I'm going to put these over here just so we can see everything. And then we have another 1,000-piece puzzle. Is looks kind of like a kitchen scene to me.
I thought it'd be a cool puzzle.
Yeah, it would. It would. So these are all 1,000-piece puzzles. Pretty neat, huh?
Yeah, I thought that looked
all right, so those are all 1,000-piece puzzles. So we're going to move these down, and let's see what we have in the other 2 boxes, because these are supposed to be puzzles as well. We'll see, are they 1,000-piece ones, and what kind of pictures? We tried to get a good variety. I think we got 6 different kinds. We wanted more, but some of them weren't in stock, so we had to kind of check with them. All right, oh, these are 2,000-piece puzzles. We have, oh my goodness. This would be crazy. That would take forever for me to do.
I thought it would be awesome.
That is awesome. So what is the scene? It's kind of
like every color in the rainbow.
Yeah, it is. But it's got different things for each color. Neat. Oh, this comes with a poster. All of them come with the poster included. That's pretty awesome. So we've got 4 now, different kinds that we have seen. And then we have this one. This one looks gorgeous. This would be one, I think, personally, that so this one is the basket with the little bird sitting on the table. And it looks like they've got a few other styles available at another time, but those are beautiful. So this one's also a 2,000-piece puzzle. And I tell you what, we got these at a really good price, so you'll be pleased with the price that we're going to charge on the store for these.
Puzzles can be expensive.
They can be extremely expensive. All right, so let's go ahead and open this last box. And then we'll be pricing everything, so wait just a few more minutes, and we'll tell you exactly how much we'll be pricing for each one of these puzzles. And then we'll also give you dimensions on how large they are as well. So, okay, we've already seen this one. This one is the kind of rainbow one. So let me put those there. And it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only one more style left. Oh, for the animal lover. Ready? There you go. That's a 2,000-piece puzzle as well. So got your cute kitty cats there. super gorgeous. Super gorgeous. Very crisp picture. And so we've got the 2,000 piece puzzles and the 1,000 piece puzzles. How fun are these? So we've got all these different kinds. So we're going to go ahead and price each and every one to let you know exactly what we'll have them available for on hookedonpickin.com. So really, really neat ones.
You guys have to let us know what you think about.
Yeah, if you guys love these, let us know. Leave it in the comment section below. And then we'll go ahead and price each and every one of these to let you know. You can go straight to hookedonpickin.com and be able to find all of these. It looks like the 2,000 piece puzzles are 67 centimeters by 99 centimeters, or 27 inches by 40 inches. 27 inches by 40 inches for those. And then it looks like the 1,000 piece puzzles are 27 inches by 20 inches. Okay, so that's the typical size that you're going to find. Let's go ahead and price them. We'll be right back. Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. Okay, we've got everything priced. So our 2,000 piece puzzles that are basically, what size did I say they were again? They are size, basically this one is 40 inches by 27 inches. They are going to be $26.99. $26.99 for your 2,000 piece puzzle. And so they are 40 inches by 27 inches. So really good size, beautiful puzzle. So if you want to turn it into a picture or whatever, you know, you always can. So we've got that for the 2,000 piece puzzles. And then we're going to wander on over to our 1,000 piece puzzles, $17.99 on Hooked on Pickin, $17.99 on hookedonpickin.com. And like I said, those ones are 20 inches by 27 inches, 20 inches by 27 inches. So that's also a good size. Those are the 1,000 piece puzzles at $17.99. So go straight to Hooked on Pickin and snatch up your puzzles. Give us your ideas for new puzzles to buy, because we definitely want to get what you want to buy. And thanks so much for joining us for this puzzle unboxing. And hopefully you have some fun with these. And of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for joining us for this unboxing. Give us a thumbs up if you love this video. Make sure you comment down in the comments section for all the things that you want to see on future videos. Also, if you're not yet a subscriber, make sure you subscribe to the Hooked on Pickin channel and go to hookedonpickin.com to find not just puzzles, but many other fun things.